Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can make text message not show up on your lock screen. Well, it's quite easy, so let's dive right into it. So first of all, you need to decide which application you don't want the text from. So for example, I don't want any kind of text from my messages application or iMessage application to be shown on my lock screen. Now get to the settings, and from your settings you'll now scroll down and then tap on notifications. So after doing that, here scroll down, and here you can see all of the applications that is currently on your phone, from which you'll have to now search for the particular application that you don't want the text message to be shown from. So here you can see this is the particular application, messages. So tap on it and simply open the settings of this particular app, and in here you can see currently lock screen is selected. If you simply tap on this lock screen and deselect it, now none of your text from messages application will be shown to your lock screen. Or if you just don't want any kind of notifications from this particular messages application, you can tap on this toggle button and turn it off just like this. But for now, we're going to turn this on and then only turn off the lock screen. Now go back and you can now simply use your phone, and none of the text messages from messages application will be shown to your lock screen. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.